Hi, my name's Sarah.
Eat the peas yourself. Oh, what a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. Looks pretty. That's it. Good morning, it's Tuesday and it's nowhere near as serene as yesterday. We have sirens and we also have rain, and I've got a bit of a desk day today, so I'm going to be doing that, so you may not come along for much of that. And hopefully it's not raining for any miles. But anyway, see you later. Good morning, it's Wednesday and I've just been chatting with my friend Zoe, which is Plods, about my very strange small to-do list today, which is making me rather suspicious. So we're doing our morning miles as usual and it looks a bit grey today, but apparently it's not going to rain. And then home to my little disconcerting to-do list, sort that out, bake some banana bread, and then try and work out some other stuff to go on my to-do list, I think. So it feels a little bit more normal. So anyway, have a great day and I'll see you later. Also, I'm not quite sure why I keep doing that, but there you go. It's not doing it now. I have some very dark bananas. These have travelled around, hence they're so black. I'm going to make some vegan banana bread with them, rather than wasting them.
Which one do you go for?
Please fully insert your card into the reader.
It's funny, on the canal it looks like spring's coming, but around here it still looks like autumn. We took the long route home today, so we're coming up by Clayton Vale Park. And it's quite cold actually, considering. I don't think it's going to rain. But they say next week it's going to be 21 degrees on Wednesday, so it'll be summer. Oh, British weather. And if all else fails, eat the peas yourself. Snubbed, yet again. I wonder if they're not keen on Waitrose peas. Too posh for them, do you reckon? I don't know. I'm sure they'll eat them later. Anyway, good morning, it's Thursday and I've been trying to feed the geese with some peas, and we've seen some goslings and they don't want my peas and they sink, so I learnt something today. And we're doing our morning miles and then home to work. Tonight we're going to go check out Nuffield Gym just to have a nosy around, see what that's like. And then we've been planning our weekend to do something fun. So we're thinking maybe go to see the Concorde at the airport because we got vouchers for Christmas and an early morning walk. So here's to a great Thursday. I'm very excited because my friend's moving house today. And yeah, so I'll take you along and hopefully I'll do something a bit more exciting today. Maybe not. Maybe there'll be more peas and birds. Decided to have my lunch on the settee and end up with a lap full of cats. Good morning, it's Friday and we're on the way to Fracture Clinic, hopefully to get good sounds this time. And it's wet and it's really loud on here. We're on Oldham Road, you see, which is a busy road into town. Anyway, today's about cleaning, sorting out some final emails and doing task lists for Monday. And then it's the weekend. And my friend's actually getting her furniture today, which is very exciting, so I'm probably going to be nipping on trying to distract her while she's sorting her house. And that's about it really. Relaxing tonight with some music channel and baked eggs. So have a good one and I'll see you later. Good morning, it's Saturday and I have my bucket of tea. We've been taking it easy this morning and I'm not quite sure what we're doing. We kind of bandied ideas around and we didn't really decide what to do. I'm currently making some omelette muffins for our brunch because I was going to say breakfast, but it's like 25 past 10. Hey, what's up, pups? Oh, hey. Oh, there we go. Or not. And then we're going to do something a bit later on, so yeah, I don't know really. So we made it out of the house in the end and we're making our way into town down the back streets near the city ground, and we're going to head to Altrincham for lunch in the market and then walk back along the canal, hopefully, depending on time. But it's a beautiful day, it was supposed to be overcast and it's glorious. We're on our way back now, walking along the Bridgewater Canal on the sail side, and it's been really busy. Obviously everyone's decided that it's spring, it's sunny, so everybody's been coming out on their bikes, and we're just walking underneath the M60 at the moment, so you can hear flowners in the tram over there as well. And yeah, it turned out to be a beautiful day considering we were expecting it to be overcast and grey. So we'll just have to see what tomorrow holds. There's one for sale, just the right size. Good afternoon. I didn't really film this morning because I was busy doing our meal plan and cooking breakfast and relaxing. So there's nothing from this morning, and we're now walking to town to go and have a look at the museums, and I'm feeding the birds some seeds. And I'm going to do that just now. Right. Oh yeah, I forgot to finish. We're on our way to see the Tim Peake exhibition at the Museum of Science and Industry, and then maybe the art gallery afterwards, depending on what time we're on. So a bit of a cultural day today after our canal walk yesterday, even though we're on the canal again.
Yeah, I think it's really small.
So that's it for this week. So thanks again for coming along. I did it a bit differently this week by letting you sort of hear the sounds that's going on and things I hear while on my walks. So let me know what you think of that, or whether you prefer it with the music. So bob that in the comments. And as usual, like, share, comment and subscribe. And I look forward to having you along next week. So cheers again, and thanks.